Hey everyone, I am Mr. Helper and in today's video I am going to show you how to download VLC Media Player 32-bit exe file and how to download VLC Media Player 64-bit exe file. So let's get started. Open internet browser. In my case I am going to use Microsoft Edge, but you can use any internet browser you like to. All the process will be same. Open any search engine. In my case I am going to open google.com. you can open bing.com, ask.com, any search engine website you like to, you can. And here just you have to do is type VLC. This website link will be in description box below. So here it is, our VLC Media Player download link. Click on download and as you can see VLC 2.2.8 Win32 exe file. This means this is 32-bit operating system setup exe file. This is not a 64-bit operating system exe file. Okay, so let me show you how to download 64-bit. Click on back, click on down arrow, and here it is, installer for 64-bit version. Okay, so now as you can see VLC 2.2.8-64.exe. This is the way you can download VLC Media Player in 32-bit and 64-bit individually exe file. I know this video was quite easy, so that's all. I'm not going to show you how to install it. I hope you know how to install it. Okay, recently I got some comment from you guys. You guys were saying that in my recent videos my video quality was good but audio quality was worse. You got a hard time to listen my tutorial. So please let me know if this video was loud or normal or very low. Please let me know in comment box below. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you find this video informative, click on like button, comment below. If you having any questions regarding this video, I will try my best to help you. Share this video to your friend, to your family member, whoever you like to share. If I forget to mention something in this video, I will add it in description box below, so always check the description. I already made lots of video on VLC Media Player, you might like it, so please check the description. Subscribe my channel for more videos like this. And if you want to directly contact me, you can do it by subscribing my channel and liking my Mr. Helper Facebook fan page. All the social links are in description box below. Okay, just like it and subscribe my channel. That's all you have to do, and after that you can message me. So take care, have a nice day, and I will see you next time. Bye.